All right, so we're finding the present value of simple interest, which is just the same as calculating the principal, the initial amount. All right, and we have this formula here. All right, present value equals future value times 1 plus RT to the power negative 1, or it can be written as this: future value over 1 plus R times T. So how much must X Limited invest in order to raise 500,000 in 3 years at an interest of 10% and in 5 years at an interest rate of 10%? So basically, we just want to know how much the initial amount they should invest or borrow to someone at a certain interest rate at a specified time to get 500,000. Right. So present value equals, let's get this here, future value. I think for some oil. Let's see. So future value, open bracket. So our future value is 500,000 because that's how much we're expecting to raise. So you say 500,000, right? Where there's FV, you put 500,000. Open brackets, 1 plus. So we have a rate of 10%. So our R is 0.1, 10% converted into decimal place. Divided by our time is 3 years. And to the power negative 1. Right, so I'm going to say 0.1 times 3, that is 0.3. 0.3 plus 1, that's 1.3. So we find 1.3 to the power negative 1. So it becomes like this: 500,000 multiplied by 1.3 to the power negative 1. Okay, 1.3. That is 0.769, right, to 3 decimal places. 1.3 to the power negative 1, 0.769. Then we multiply that by 500,000. I'm going to get 384,000. 384,615. All right, so that's going to be 384,615. Right, it's got some decimal places, but I'll just leave it as a whole number. So this is how much you must invest. All right, and then after, at an interest rate of 10%, after 3 years, you're going to get 500,000. Then for our final part, right, if it's 5 years at an interest rate of 10%, so we just grab it here. Okay, and then all right, so here where there was 3, we replace it with 5. The interest rate is the same, 10%, so 0.1 stays. So 0.1 times 5, that's 0.5. Then 0.5 plus 1, that is 1.5. 1.5 to the power negative 1, that is 0.66666. Just leave it to two decimal places. And we multiply that by 500,000. All right, so we're getting 333,333. So this is how much you must invest this amount, and at an interest rate of 10%, after 5 years, you get 500,000. So that's how we get our present value, which is also the principal, simple interest.